Hello everyone and welcome. I'm so happy to be sharing this journey of decluttering with you. As we look towards 2025, it's more important than ever to create calm and joyful spaces in our lives. Our homes should be our sanctuaries, filled only with things that spark joy and purpose. Today, we'll embark on a journey to simplify and organize our spaces, beginning with our digital lives and moving through each area of our homes. We'll explore practical tips and tricks that can be easily implemented, allowing you to reclaim your space and find a sense of peace. Remember, decluttering is not about deprivation, it's about making conscious choices about what brings us joy and letting go of what no longer serves us. Are you ready to tidy up with me? Let's begin. Our digital lives can become just as cluttered as our physical spaces. Let's begin by creating a sense of calm within our devices. First, take a deep breath and envision what a truly organized digital life looks like to you. Do you see neatly arranged folders, a clutter-free inbox, and only the apps that spark joy and productivity? Now let's begin by deleting any unused apps from your phone and computer. Just like with physical items, if an app doesn't bring you joy or serve a purpose, it's time to let it go. Next, organize your files into folders that are clearly labeled. Imagine a library where everything has its place. This is the same concept for your digital world. Finally, unsubscribe from any email lists that no longer inspire you. A clean inbox is like a breath of fresh air for your mind. Let's move on to our wardrobes, a space that often becomes a source of stress rather than joy. A capsule wardrobe is about curating a collection of clothing that you love, that fits well, and that can be mixed and matched effortlessly. Start by selecting your favorite pieces of clothing, those items that make you feel confident and happy. Hold each piece in your hand and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, it deserves a place in your capsule wardrobe. Next, choose versatile pieces in neutral colors that can be easily paired with each other. Imagine the possibilities of creating numerous outfits with just a few key items. Let go of any clothing that no longer fits, is worn out, or that you haven't worn in the past year. Donate these items and allow them to bring joy to someone else. Remember, a capsule wardrobe is about quality over quantity. Embrace the joy of having a curated collection that reflects your personal style. Paper clutter can quickly overwhelm our homes. Let's explore how to transition to a more sustainable and organized paperless approach. Begin by gathering all of your important documents and consider scanning them digitally. Store these files securely in the cloud or on an external hard drive. Opt for electronic billing and payment methods whenever possible. Many companies now offer these options, reducing the need for paper statements. Invest in a quality scanner for those documents that still arrive in paper form. Scan and recycle immediately to prevent clutter from accumulating. Remember to shred any sensitive documents before discarding them. Creating a paperless system takes time and effort, but the rewards of a clutter-free home are well worth it. In today's world, many of us live in smaller spaces. Let's discover how multifunctional furniture can transform our homes into havens of efficiency and joy. Imagine a sleek ottoman that doubles as a storage container, or a coffee table that lifts to become a dining table. Multifunctional furniture allows us to be creative with our space. Consider a sofa bed for guests, providing a comfortable place to sleep without sacrificing valuable floor space. Every piece of furniture should have a purpose and spark joy. Choose furniture with built-in storage, such as beds with drawers or ottomans with hidden compartments. These clever designs help us maximize every inch of space. Remember, when selecting multifunctional furniture, prioritize quality and durability. These pieces should be both functional and bring a sense of joy to your home. Maintaining a clutter-free home is an ongoing journey, not a one-time event. Let's establish a decluttering routine that sparks joy and becomes a natural part of our lives. Begin by setting aside a small amount of time each day, even just 15 minutes, to tidy up. Focus on one area at a time, such as a drawer, a shelf, or a corner of a room. Consider creating a weekly or monthly schedule for decluttering different areas of your home. For example, dedicate one weekend a month to tackling a larger project, such as the garage or the pantry. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating small acts of tidying into our daily routines, we can prevent clutter from accumulating and maintain a sense of peace in our homes. Make decluttering a family affair. Encourage everyone to participate in tidying up. fostering a sense of responsibility and shared joy in maintaining a clutter-free home. As we declutter, we'll inevitably encounter items that no longer spark joy in our lives, but that can still be of value to others. Let's explore the joy of donating and recycling. Before discarding any item, pause and ask yourself, could this bring joy to someone else? If the answer is yes, consider donating it to a local charity or thrift store. Gather gently used clothing, household items, and books that no longer bring you joy, and donate them to organizations that support those in need. Your act of giving can spark joy in the lives of others. Recycle paper, plastic, glass, and electronics responsibly. Many communities have designated recycling centers or pickup services. Remember, even in letting go, we can find joy in knowing that our belongings are being given a second life and that we are contributing to a more sustainable future. And sentimental items hold a special place in our hearts, often evoking cherished memories. Let's approach decluttering these items with care and mindfulness. Create a designated space for your most treasured sentimental items, a place where you can revisit these memories with joy. Consider displaying a few select items that spark the most joy, while storing others carefully in labeled boxes. Take photos of sentimental items that you're not ready to part with, but that you don't necessarily need to keep physically. This allows you to cherish the memory without holding on to the physical object. Remember, the goal is to keep items that spark joy and that you cherish, while letting go of those that weigh you down or create clutter. Efficient storage solutions are essential for maintaining a clutter-free home. Let's explore some innovative ideas that maximize space and spark joy. Utilize vertical space by installing shelves, hooks, and organizers on walls. Think upwards to maximize storage potential in any room. Embrace drawer dividers, shelf risers, and under-sink organizers to maximize space within existing cabinets and drawers. Consider clear storage containers to easily see what's inside. Label each container with its contents for effortless organization. Remember, a well-organized home is a joy to live in. By finding creative storage solutions, we create a sense of calm and order in our surroundings. One of the most effective ways to maintain a clutter-free home is to prevent new clutter from entering in the first place. Let's embrace mindful shopping habits. Before purchasing any item, ask yourself, do I truly need this? Does it spark joy? Do I have space for it? Avoid impulse purchases. Take your time to consider your purchases carefully, ensuring that each item aligns with your values and your vision for your home. Embrace experiences over material possessions. Consider investing in travel, hobbies, or personal growth opportunities that enrich your life without adding to physical clutter. Remember, mindful shopping is about making conscious choices that align with our values and that bring us lasting joy. In today's digital age, we have access to a plethora of tools that can assist us in our decluttering journey. Let's explore some helpful decluttering apps. There are apps designed to help you create digital inventories of your belongings, making it easier to track what you own and identify items to declutter. Some apps offer virtual closet organization, allowing you to create outfits from your existing wardrobe and identify gaps in your clothing collection. For those who prefer to sell or donate unwanted items, several apps facilitate the process of listing and selling items locally. Remember, technology can be a valuable ally in our quest for a more organized and joyful home.